Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create highlights on Facebook. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up the Facebook app and just go ahead over to your profile. Tap on your profile and at the top right, we have the three dots. Just tap on it and then go ahead and straight up tap on add highlights. Okay. Now this section, you'll be able to see your camera roll. You can go ahead and tap on see all to view your gallery. Okay. Also at the very bottom, you have your stories or story archive. You can tap on see all to check all your stories that you wanted to add to your highlights. Also, you have here all of your uploaded photos as well. So let's say, for example, I wanted to add an archive for my uploaded photos. I'm going to tap on each right here. Also, I'm going to add in one of my stories. Okay. You can mix and match, okay, however you want. And then once that's done, just tap on next. Change the cover photo right here if you want to. Okay. Or upload a fresh one. Now give it a title, for example, meh. All right. And then once that's done, just tap on save. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, go ahead and swipe down to refresh your profile. Scroll down a bit. And here we have highlights. And after that, you can now go ahead and easily add in some highlights or new highlights easily by just tapping on new right here. That is it. That's how simple it is to create a highlight on Facebook. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.